Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have Deal of the Day 11. Deal of the Day 11 confirmed. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. We are currently at 20,784. This is a live count. If we can get this to 21,000, hopefully soon, maybe get to 22,000 over the last 10 days of December. Anyways, I'd like to share that just because the Hard Bros know you guys have grown this community, but I appreciate it. Please hype. It's in the mobile app only, I'm pretty sure. If you swipe right on the comments, it'll get you to the hype button. Anyways, let's jump in. Don't forget, free bucket weekend for everyone. ITC, who's gotten their wrench sets? I've seen a lot of pictures. Looks like everyone's been relatively successful. Some stores have been packed, some stores are pretty empty. Let me know how the Hard Bros are doing out there. Hopefully you're doing well and you're getting what you need. But don't forget your free buckets with those wrenches because you're definitely spending any purchase. If you're not a Hard Bro, technically if you're not ITC, still you're spending over 30 bucks getting your wrenches. So don't forget your free buckets. Sometimes the stores don't put out their buckets. You have to ask. That's happened to me before. 40% off icon. I can't. Hopefully you're doing well. Then of course tomorrow, $500 off US General, 40% off all magnetic storage attachments and drawer organizers. Crazy deal. And let's look at the deal coming Monday. I know you might think, oh, this is only a tarp bro deal or a detail bro deal, but these are great. 50% off of anything is absolutely nuts. And even if you don't need a tarp at 50% off, you might as well get one just in case you need one. Get another bucket. Oh wait, buckets will be over. But 50% off is nuts. 50% off all extreme duty tarps, and we'll do a relative deep dive on those. And then 50% off all Grant's auto detailing cleaning products and accessories. That's crazy. Just for towels, even the red towel dye of death that stains everything and gets and melts when you wash it in your washer as an oil rag, as a disposable rag. They make sense. 50% off. Am I overhyping it? I'm pumped. I get excited by these detailing ones. Detailing seat Grants is pretty legit. Anyways, let's not too much to go into besides 50% off tarps and detailing Grants accessories. Let's take a look at what they have, and we'll sort high to low. And this is going to be, I guess, pretty straightforward, but we have different variations of the extreme duty tarps. And we'll start off with the most expensive tarp. You say tarps enough, it starts looking weird. Now I see this and it just feels weird. What's a tarp? Tarps. These are tarps. 140, 30 by 40 foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant 12 mil tarp. Get dual protection from extreme elements. Both sides block light, plus the silver side reflects heat. So have the silver side up. Is that how these work? Reflect the sun away at 140 bucks. We probably don't need much of a calculator. 140 bucks. We're just going to divide by 2. $70. $70 off. You're getting it for 70 bucks. That's still crazy. I think pricey for a tarp. It actually should be $70 divided by 1,200. That's 5 cents per square foot. There you go. That makes more sense. 5 cents per square foot. But again, either way, useless metric. 70 bucks, save on the 30 by 40 foot. 20 by 30 foot, also 12 mil. I believe it's going to be the exact same idea. 90 bucks, get it for $45. The 18 by 24 foot, $69.99. I'd pay full price. That's nice. 12 mil tarp, but getting it down 50% off, 35 bucks. 16 by 20 foot, also 12 mil, down to $25. 12 foot by 20 foot, different oddball sizes. Get it down to $21.50. A 12 foot by 16 foot, $35. Get it for $17.50. The 8 foot by 10 foot. These are all 12 mil. This has D-rings for you D-ring fans. The D-ring bros, 30 bucks. We'll click on this because what is a D-ring? Oh, I think I see them here. D-rings. A little bit small for me. 30 bucks, $15 with 50% off. protect your cargo on your truck. 10 by 12 foot extreme duty weather resistant. 20 bucks, get it for $10. A $10 10 foot by 12 foot tarp. 8 foot by 10 foot, get it for 7, what is that, 650. And then the smallest one, 6 by 8 foot 12 mil tarp, get it for $4.50. By the 22nd, get one of your loved ones a tarp. Put it in their stocking stuffer. $4, they'll like it. Anyways, that's the extreme duty tarps. That's for the tarp bros. Let me know who's excited about those. And then we have the 50% off all Grants auto detailing, cleaning products, and accessories. This one is absolutely fire. Everyone has cars. Everyone's detailing their cars. We're all cleaning them ourselves. Even just for the rags, some of these Grant towels, absolutely amazing. But let's see what they have to offer. And we're going to, again, sort from high to low. And the first thing that comes up is the Grant's compact detail seat. $69.99. Again, I'd pay full price for this. But at 50% off, who doesn't need a detailing seat at 70 bucks, half off? Get it for $35. And just in case you're a non-believer, we shun the non-believers sometimes. When this seat came out back in 2021, it was $50. Regular price right now is $69.99, which is nice, but it's been about that price since 2021. And the deals recently in July was down to $54.99. Lowest price it's been was what it came out in, but 2024 ITC, it was down to 50 bucks, which I think obviously a great deal. $50 for, I believe, a pretty good seat. And if any of the Harbros have this, let me know. Let the other Harbros let me know how it is. I always appreciate the feedback, not just for myself, but also for the Harbros who are looking to get any of the items that you already have, that you've already tested. But it's going to be down to $35. 35 bucks just as a flyer. Compact detail seat. That is awesome. And well below the lowest price that it's been, which is nuts. Next, this was on sale, I believe, during the last parking lot sale. 40 bucks. I forget what the sale price was, but for 50% off, I think it was a pretty sick deal too. You get this down to $20. $20 for the Grants 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner. You're not going to find much better than that. You might find some Chinese knockoffs, but 1200 watt Grants Harbor Freight with their great return policy. I think a steal of a deal at 50% off. Almost everything is a steal of a deal. Harbros, I know some of you got this maybe in the last parking lot sale. Let us know how you like the steamer. I think it was only positive feedback that I saw from this. Crazy deal. And then we have the Grants Extreme Foaming Spray Gun. That'll attach to your water hose. Get that for $11. That's fun. Garden hose powered foam gun quickly applies thick soapy foam. That's what I like. Thick soapy foam to your vehicle to loosen and lift grime without scouring. Great deal. And then we have kind of expensive, surprisingly, $15 for the 50 pack of the 14 by 13 mechanics shop towels. But get these for $7.50. Is a crazy deal. These might have been that low. There's a brand new 7-inch wool rotary buffing pad. Get that for $6. And this is one of the Harbro favorites. Super high compliments and high ratings from the Harbros, from the comment sections. When this comes up on sale, Grant's XXL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel. Maybe buy a few of these. Doesn't say the limits yet, but at $5, normally 10 bucks, easily dry an entire vehicle with this massive XXL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towel. Beautiful. This one is Harbro recommended. And let me know in the comments, those of you who have this, or if you think this is terrible. Maybe I'm misremembering, but it was something about this towel being great. And yeah, it's just great. We got the Grant 6-inch Universal Polishing Foam Pad. 1 pack, 10 bucks. Get it for $5. The Power Drill Brushing Detailing Kit, 10 bucks. Get that for $5. Then an assortment of microfiber pads, foam pads, microfiber foam pads. Wide variety. If you need some foam pads in multiple sizes, 6 inches is average. 7 inches, you're set. 5 inches is still okay. 6 inches cotton terry cleaning towels. These classic white cotton terry towels, $9. It's a 12 pack. Get these for $4.50. That's ridiculous. Some more foam pads. And then we have, oh, and then these allegedly are on instant savings. They're already down from $10 to $8. This is a 12 pack. Get it for $4. Another, this is like more of a steal of a deal. Delicate towels clean delicate automotive surfaces without scratching, streaking, or lint, and you're not leaving lint behind, which those red towels could do. Crazy steal of a deal here. Get that for $4. 12 pack for $4. I think this is going to be a Harbro favorite. Grant's Auto Detailing Dirt Guard for 3.5 to 7 gallon bucket insert. Everyone just got their free buckets. Make one of those buckets, one of your car detailing buckets. Two buckets, one for the dirty water and one for a clean set of soap, or however the detailers do it. $8, get it for $4. And we keep going. This is crazy. Grant's Ultimate Streak Free Glass Towels, 16 by 16 inch, 3-pack for $7. Get it for $3.50. I didn't even know they had these. 100% streak free, scratch free, and lint free. Got the classic Ultra Plush Chenille microfiber wash mitt for $3.50. Microfiber fleece, terry fleece polishing bonnets, $3.50. And then of course our classic 12 by 12 pack for $6 down to $3. And then the 4-pack down to $2. A wash sponge for $2. And that's the auto. That's crazy. These are some absolutely fire deals, and I will leave it at that. Harbros, let me know if any of this excites you as much as it excites me. Maybe I'm a little bit crazy, but let me know who's picking up a tarp for 50% off. Who's picking up some auto detailing for 50% off. Anyways, let me know how your icon wrenches go. Maybe you don't have any money left. It's crazy. There's been some crazy, I think, good deals, at least a few, where we're hurting our wallets and getting in trouble with the old ball and chain. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. We got more icon today. If you haven't gone, good luck. Storage tomorrow. Who's picking up the 72 inch? That's nuts, but $500 off is tough to pass on if you were already looking at it. Get your magnetic organizers, and then let me know about the tarps and auto detailing. Again, good luck out there. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.